Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this animated social media ad creative in a Canva on a few minutes. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep great content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. Just closing this page. I opened already a new Canva page. Here, first we need a video format. So going to the videos, choosing the Facebook video format. Go into the elements, add the shape, square, more or less like this. Change the color to black, position and center. And now go into the text, add heading, type sale, choose a font type, what we would like to use. For me, this Bernard is, I think, one of the best one for this kind of animation, especially if I clicking on a right element, just zooming a bit, moving up like to here, and start to duplicate. Like this, I think. Yes, and now going to position, layers, selecting all of them, and going to the position and range, center all of them, and tidy up. In this case, all of them are in a same distance from each other, and now it's grouping them and moving to the middle, center, ungroup. That was important. In this case, we can move all the text to the center, in both in horizontally and vertically. So just selecting again one, position, layers, selecting all, going to the effects, hollow, changing to 10, and all of them are selected. Duplicate, just positioning again properly, going back to the effects, neon, maybe a bit increasing to 60. I have to see it if it really working properly or not. I made a small mistake, not in a proper position. Now it's good. So the important thing why we choose the video format is we can do it this one in every format, but here we have a function to zoom in the thumbnails, so I can increase the thumbnails. That's important now. Otherwise, that will be more difficult to do it due to you cannot really see the timeline. So I'm just selecting the first text and using 0.6 seconds of timing. Moving to the second one and just starting when the first is finishing, same 0.6, doing the same with the third one, same with the fourth one, just .6, and the last one also 0.6 seconds, and just cropping the whole duration. Nicely, so just see what we done. So the text is moving done nicely. This is what you would like to achieve actually. And the thing is, if you like using Instagram post size, not a square one, the 4:3 one, it's more difficult. Maybe we have this length here for the timeline, and very difficult to find the proper positions when the first text is finishing and when the second is starting. And this, actually it's possible to do it, but much easier if we are using a video format, so we can increasing the thumbnail, so we can zoom in the thumbnail, so we can have more. We can do it more precisely. Sorry, just try to find a proper word for it, so we can do it for more precisely. And now I just need an image, going to the positions and moving up to here, removing the background, moving to the bottom, to the Canva. Oh no, and here like this. Yes. So if I just watching again, preview, you can already see that's pretty nice, just too short. So the only thing what we need to do is right click, duplicate page, and now I already have almost a 10 seconds long video, just checking the final outcome. Due to after the last portion of the text, of course, jumping back to the top due to we just duplicated the page. So here is the final outcome. I really like it. Hope so you also like it. And if you really like it and would like to support me, please hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section, which is also important for the algorithm. And please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image generation prompts for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.